The cost of roofs nowadays are getting crazy. The average roof cost 30 years ago was under $5,000, and nowadays it's over $25,000. So as material prices keep going up, and people not making an equal amount of money, it's getting less and less affordable, but a roof is a necessary piece of the home. It protects the entire structure. This can be problematic for homeowners when the price is just getting crazy, which is why we offer financing if it makes sense for you. Finance rates actually right now have gone lower, and we have fantastic rates. This makes roofs much more affordable because homeowners don't have to come up with a big chunk of money right away now. You could just sign up for financing and have a low monthly payment and not have to worry about draining your entire life savings just to cover your roof. A lot of people believe I have to pay it all at once, and we're so glad to partner with these companies, so that's not the case anymore. We don't want you to feel that you have to come up with this crazy amount of money or keep repairing a roof that needs to be replaced when it just doesn't make sense financially. If you're interested in finance options, we can go ahead and connect you with any of our finance partners to make sure we can set you up with payment options and get you fully taken care of. So finally, roofs can be more affordable when the prices are crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions on financing, go ahead and reach out to us, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time.